Hi and welcome back to MRTV. If you always wanted to get into virtual reality but haven't done so yet, or if you always wanted to get the Quest 2 but didn't go for it because it was probably sold out, then today might be the right day to buy it. Because since today you can buy the brand new 128 gigabyte version of the Quest 2 for the price of the 64 gigabyte version, $299. All the details, where you can buy it and what you should look out for, you will find out in this video, so absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because all of this goodness is coming up. Hello again, my name is Sebastian Ang, and if you're excited about virtual reality, you should absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Alright, let's talk about the brand new Quest 2, the 128 gigabyte version of the headset. Before, we only had a 64 gigabyte version for $299 and a 256 gigabyte version, which cost $399. Now we got the new 128 gigabyte version, and it's only going to set you back $299. So the price of the 64 gigabyte version. And can I recommend this headset? Yes, absolutely, and the link to get it is down in the description of this video. If you are completely new to VR, actually this might be the right headset for you, because you do not need to have a gaming PC to run this. This is a so-called standalone headset, and well, you don't need that gaming PC. You have a big library of games that you can play, for example Beat Saber or Star Wars games. Everything is possible on the Quest 2. And if you follow this channel for a long time, obviously you know that, but there might be quite a few people who are new to VR and who want to get into it. But also, if you have a gaming PC and if you want to play games like Half-Life Alyx, something that is only available for PC VR, then you can also use this headset, because using a USB cable you can connect it with your computer and you can use it as a PC VR headset. Also, if you don't want to use the cable, you can also use it wirelessly. Everything is built in, and for $299, this is definitely the best bang for your buck. Unfortunately though, and that's something that I always need to tell people when they ask me if I can recommend the Quest 2, there is a big but. And that big but is that you need to log in with your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account and you don't want to make one, or if you have one but you don't want to use it in VR, you will not be able to use the Quest 2. And in my opinion, there was such a big mistake that Facebook made here, because if they wouldn't have done this, in my opinion, mistake, I could simply recommend it to everyone and there wouldn't have been such a big controversy about this topic. So you need to know, you need to log in with your Facebook account, and your data will be collected in order to serve ads to you in the future. And well, it is up to you if it's great for you, if it's okay for you, or if it's something that you simply don't want in VR. And I made a whole video about this topic where I tell you that I personally am not so happy about it, and you can watch it here. However, in my opinion, if you are aware of this and if you're fine with this, there is no reason not to enjoy this headset. And even I personally am a critic of this, I still enjoy this, and I must admit this is simply fantastic. And yeah, nearly everything right now in VR evolves around this headset here. So it is a recommended headset, but there is this problem with the forced Facebook login. If that forced Facebook login is a problem for you, there are alternatives. However, not really in the standalone market where you don't need a PC. If you really don't have a gaming PC, and that might be the case, then there is actually only this option here right now. For people who do have a gaming PC though, there are other options, like for example the Reverb G2 or the Valve Index, or if you have a PlayStation 4, 4 Pro or 5, you could also pick up the PlayStation VR. However, this is already a bit dated right now. If you want to find out about all the headsets and which I can recommend, check out my website at mrtv.co. There you're going to find all my reviews. And that's it for this short public service announcement. Again, if you're into virtual reality, or if you probably in the future will be in virtual reality after you've picked up this headset or another headset, then you should absolutely subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you have any questions about the Quest 2 or any other VR headset, you can leave your question in the comment section and either me or the community is going to answer. So do use that. I would be happy to get in touch with you. That's it. And now I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.